What if I told you there's a planet out there, somewhere in the vastness of space, that could be just like Earth? A place with blue skies, vast oceans, and maybe even life. Sounds like science fiction, right? But here's the kicker, it's not. Scientists are already hunting for it, and we might be closer than you think to finding humanity's second home. So buckle up, because today we're diving into the ultimate cosmic treasure hunt, the search for Earth 2.0. Now, here's something wild to get us started. As of now, astronomers have discovered over 5,000 exoplanets, planets outside our solar system. Among them are dozens that orbit their stars in the so-called Goldilocks zone, where it's not too hot, not too cold, and conditions could be just right for liquid water, and maybe even life. That's where we hope to find our second Earth. But finding it? Oh, that's no walk in the park. Let's start with what we're actually looking for. When scientists say Earth-like, they're talking about a planet with the same size, rocky surface, and, most importantly, a star that behaves like our sun. It also needs an atmosphere capable of supporting life as we know it. But here's the kicker. Space isn't exactly small. It's like trying to find a grain of sand in the Sahara Desert while wearing a blindfold. One of the coolest tools we've used in this search is the Kepler Space Telescope. Launched in 2009, Kepler was a planet-hunting powerhouse that spent nearly a decade scanning the stars for planets that pass in front of their suns, creating tiny dimming events called transits. Think of it like spotting a flea crossing a flashlight beam. Super small, super hard to catch, but incredibly rewarding when you do. And thanks to Kepler, we now know that nearly every star in the sky has at least one planet. Mind-blowing, right? But even with Kepler's discoveries, finding an Earth twin is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. If that haystack is a galaxy with 100 billion stars. And the stakes are high. Earth won't last forever. Between climate change, natural disasters, and the fact that our sun will eventually burn out, humanity needs a backup plan. And fast. This is where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in. If Kepler was a planet detective, then Webb is the Sherlock Holmes of space telescopes. Launched in 2021, Webb can analyze the atmospheres of distant planets, sniffing out signs of water vapor, oxygen, and even chemicals like methane that could hint at life. Think of it like the ultimate space sommelier, swirling a glass of alien air and saying, this one has notes of breathable oxygen and a hint of habitability. But here's the catch. Even if we do find another Earth, getting there is a whole other can of worms. The closest star system, Alpha Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. That's about 24 trillion miles. For context, if you hopped in the fastest spacecraft we've ever built, it'd still take you around 18,000 years to get there. Yeah, let that sink in. So what's the plan? Scientists are brainstorming everything from warp drives to generational starships where people live and die on the journey. Some even suggest sending tiny, laser-powered probes that could reach Alpha Centauri in just 20 years. But for now, all of that is still in the sci-fi category. And then there's the big question. If we do find another Earth, will it be empty? Or will we have company? Think about it. If we're looking for a habitable planet, wouldn't an alien civilization be doing the same? The thought of arriving at Earth 2.0 only to find someone or something already there is equal parts thrilling and terrifying. What if they're friendly? What if they're not? But let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. The truth is, the search for another Earth isn't just about survival. It's about curiosity. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we know and proving that humanity's potential is limitless. It's about answering one of the biggest questions of all time. Are we alone in the universe? And even if we never set foot on Earth 2.0, the journey itself will change us. Every discovery, every new exoplanet, and every glimpse into the unknown reminds us of how small we are and how vast the cosmos is. And who knows? Maybe the real treasure isn't finding another Earth, but realizing how incredible the one we already have is. So, what do you think? Are we destined to find a new home among the stars, or is this the ultimate cosmic wild goose chase? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to join me on more mind-blowing adventures like this one. Because the universe is full of questions, and together, we're going to find the answers.